Hey guys, our fan, and welcome to the last for now, our series in the Chef Club coloring page. We already did Bubbleisha, Donatina, and Peppermint. You know what that means. It's kind of lastly but not least, Jessicake. Jessicake, it's a primary for Jessicake. Let's do speed coloring. And she got we're gonna need some colors for Jessicake for Chef Club. And let's do this. And there you have Jessicake. She looks so beautiful with her blue hair with the pink streaks, and just like Peppermint did. It looks so beautiful that Jessicake making cupcakes. Wow, it looks so cool. And let's take a look for her collection. And there we have all the Shoppies colored in for collection. We will do Shopkins later in the Shop Club videos. Let's do join the party next time.